Alright guys, today we're going to start on this supercharger project on the Saleen. Let's do it. My car has a S281 naturally aspirated, and we're going to put a Saleen Series II on it, which is correct for this year. First thing we gotta do is let the coolant out. So what you have to do is get your pan out, because you're going to be draining a whole bunch of antifreeze, and then get underneath here with your light and take that little petcock loose and drain all your antifreeze out of the radiator. As you can see so far, I've taken off the cold air, unplugged the injectors, taken off the vacuum lines, taken off hoses. So I'm just about ready to take off the upper intake. So now I've taken wiring harness loose, belts off, the alternator and water pump pulley are loose. Now I'm going to have to change those two because the NA Saleen cars came with underdrive pulleys, which is not a good idea to use when you have a supercharger. So I have factory ones to replace those with. That's why I have to take them off. Everything's loose, all the bolts are out. So let's see what happens. One of the things I do when I'm taking a project like this apart, I leave the bolts in the spaces they're supposed to go to. That way there's no mix matching bolts, you know, different sizes, different length bolts. You'll see I also did the same thing here for the Alright, here's the moment of truth. I think I got everything loose. So here we go.
With Zillow, you're not just looking for a house. You're looking for the pool that will turn your kids' fingers into strings.
And
where your dad will explain the nuances of football to you. Yet again, where you authentize your stuff collection and discover the things early.
And there it is. And here it is, ladies and gentlemen. The 4.6 2-valve stock intake. Stock 19-pound injectors. Throttle body. Now we are ready for the supercharger. Just about. We got a lot of cleaning up to do and a couple things to change, and then we can start putting the supercharger on.
Don't act like you don't know. No one that came